Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow airplane. Let's start drawing. Let's learn to draw a plane. I start with its body, the wing, and then the other wing, and the back. I draw the windows. And some clouds around the plane. I love it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our plane, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red here. Then orange, yellow, light green, dark green, then light blue, purple, aquamarine, pink. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.